EIGRP packet types. So there are 5 packet types EIGRP has. Number 1 is hello, used to discover the EIGRP neighbor. Acknowledgement, used to acknowledge the receipt of the EIGRP packet. Update, convey routing information to known destination. Okay. Query, used to request specific information from the neighbor table, neighbor router. Reply, used to respond to a query. So these are the 5 packets types we have. Hello, which discover the neighbors. Acknowledgement, once you receive the neighbors update information, you acknowledge that. Update, convey the routing information. If you have a known destination, you send the routing update to the next hop router. Query, used to request specific information from the neighbor table. If you are not knowing any route, you send the query packet. Reply, used to respond to query. So hello packet, used to discover the EIGRP neighbor, used to form the maintenance EIGRP agencies, send the IPv4 multicast address .10 and multicast address on the IPv6 unreliable delivery, send every 5 seconds. So hello messages are exchanged every 5 seconds. EIGRP use default hello timer for 3 times for the networks. So update and acknowledgement packet. So update packets are sent to the propagate routing information only when necessary. So these are the update packets are sent to propagate routing information only when necessary. So for example, if that network goes down, you are sending immediate update to all the router, and the router 1 and 3 are acknowledging to that. Send partial update only. They do not send all the information, only the network which goes down. Only contain the information that the network changes. Send bound update, send only to the router affected by the changes. So basically, and then the update and acknowledgement, and the third one, 2 packets are together, query and reply packet. Use when searching for the network. So let's say you are querying that this network goes down, and the other guys are replying back. Queries using reliable delivery can be multicast or unicast. Reliable replies using the reliable delivery as well.